everyone, this is Digitize Planner and I want to show our 7 girls personalities planners. Okay, on here I will teach you how to copy the template. For example, if you got a 2 or 3 personalities, you can do it, so here follow my tutorial. First, you can go to the first planner and click the page you want to copy. After that, you can go to the second planner and click the option, copy the page. After that, you can go to the first planner and then just paste the page. Now you can enjoy the page that you already copied on here. Like this, I already copied 2 personalities on here. So already got 3, now you can go follow my tutorial. Next on here you got my story here, endless choice on this planner. We get extra notes here on tab. Next, you will got foundation here. Next, this is the most interesting thing if you choose my story. So this is you on your personality on the inside. You will get so much choice on the index. You will get essential, foundation and growth and development. This is our monthly that I have chose before. This is the weekly that I pick and the daily here. This is our calendar, so pretty. Next, as usual, you will get the icon we available iOS and Android. Even the custom apps. Okay, here you got so many choices that you can pick. If you want the custom apps, you can just click the apps link and select an option of you. Next, you can pick your monthly too. We have available custom monthly on here. You can choose which one you want to start, May, December, July or what. On each personality, of course, you will got the different index, from essential, foundation until the growth development. Okay, next, if you ask me which one is my personality, I will choose my comfort zone as my personality. On my comfort zone foundation, you will get hobby and DIY. This is so me, I'm an introvert, so this is so suitable for me. You will get so many choices that you can click on the inside. On growth development, you have got home and lifestyle, skill and learning, career and productivity, and many more. Okay, next, into the most interesting things. This is my comfort zone on the inside. Of course, you will get the overview here, contact, emergency, best memories, and family activities. You can put a picture with your family on here. As an introvert, of course, I like to watch YouTube, so if I have my free time, I will watch YouTube. So, let's find out which one is your personality. Are you the fit girl one, lady boss, queen bee, my story, or? So, that's all. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Good luck. Bye-bye.